Hey guys, so this is one of the vacuums that I took out of the loft. Basically I took a couple of vacuum cleaners out of the loft to take a look at, because they've been up there for a long time. So this is one of them that I took out. It's my Hoover Galaxy 1000S, just the standard base model. Doesn't have like a power head or anything. Now there are a number of issues with this that I first need to sort out, and I will make a video on it and trying to get it to work. It looks a lot more blue on camera than it does in real life. It's more green in real life, but it did work the last time I used it. But let's go over the issues. So for one, if you look in there, you can see that the filter, yeah, that's degrading. The filter will need to be replaced. Then if you turn it upside down, it's missing a wheel. Tip it back up. And then if we take the visor off, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna need to clean it out, but it's got a tear in the bag, so that's bad. It was one of the reusable bags as well, which is kind of sad. But it is a, take a look at it, genuine Hoover bag. Or at least I think it is. Yeah, there's the filter. Pop it back in. But yeah, and also I wanted to make a video on removing the suppressor, the dreaded suppressor in here. Now this has been up in my loft for a long time, maybe 7 years plus. The bag won't go back in, but because it's been in the loft for that long, the main cause of the suppressor blowing up, which I think this is why, I think it dries up. And because it's kind of like humid up there, it would make sense that the suppressor has dried up. You can see it falls over the wheel. But cautery wire on this is really good. It's even better than that. And this came out in 1990. Look at it. That is good. So, yeah, that's my little Galaxy boy. There he is.